Hey guys, welcome back in Bangla IT, and in this video we are going to learn about the decals, like how we can basically use the decals in Unreal Engine. So for example, I'm in now Pixel Read. So here you find in the decal options you can find tons of decals. So now you have a question about how we can use them. So it's very easy. Let me show you. For example, let's use this hard text. Okay, this is looking very great. So we can download that in a 2K. So make sure once you downloading a decals, make sure you go to settings or the download settings and make sure you download the opacity or the transparent, because it's very important. Okay, opacity and transparent for because you don't need the backgrounds. That's why once you do that, what you need to do, just click on the download. Okay, and also at this time you can check the export settings, that whatever you are in texture, what's you're basically doing, like the JPG or in a PNG format, whatever you format on. So if you're using like transference, we will use this transference also. So that's why let's check this ones and let's set it to PNG exports. Okay, so basically we'll get a better. Okay, now let's click on export. Okay, so now it's export in Unreal Engine. So I already created project, so it will be easiest to use that. Okay, so as you can see, this is a basically a transparent image. As you can see, that was totally so super great. If we use like that, so as you can see, they already give you a decal. Okay, like as you can see, it's pretty much enough working. That was basically the decal r. Okay, now you have a question that, bro, okay, they give us, so how we can understand or how we can make our own with the material. Okay, so for creating a decal, if you search here in Unreal Engine that D, so you find the decal option. Okay, so by default it's automatically set up, that's why. Okay, if I open the decal, okay, by default it's look like this, maybe in your case. So as you can see, it's like that. There's nothing you need to change or okay, you need to do. Also let's do the in some thing in our landscape so we can see more goodly about the decal. So let's use some noise in our ground. Okay, so we can basically see that more goodly. Okay, the decals. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking great. Now we can understand our decals is working or not. Okay, so here's basically our landscape. Okay, now for creating a decal material, what you need to do, click on material and you can give anything whatever you want. So let's give it that SD and double click and open. So first of all, the decal is not a image or not a texture, it's kind of like a surface. Okay, so you need to go sorry, you here you find the user interface, or as you can see, there's a find that define the decal. So there's already give you option for the decal, so just click on decal. Okay, so now it's automatically set up for the decals, and make sure that you set up for transparent. So now you need to just drag and drop your texture and then your opacity, okay, or your transparent. So now connect it to your R and connect it to your basically the opacity. Once you do that, it will be not show like here goodly. Okay, so you can't see here goodly, so just click on save. But your material is now ready. As you can see, our STD is ready. Now if you select the decals, now just simply drag and drop, so it will become. Okay, so by this thing basically you can make. So for more customization, you can make it smaller, bigger, or whatever you want. So let's make this thing as bigger. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty much an upgrade. The decals is working pretty much well. Also you can do something more with the metallic and specular, even with the roughness. So let's give that value to 0.6 to 0.4 and use that in a specular and metallic. Okay, so as a result, you see that there is looking more great. Also you can do with some basically the roughness. So if you want to control the roughness greatly, so let's give it to one value. So here that is a final. Okay, as you can see, that's why you can basically make a decal in Unreal Engine 4, or that's way you can basically use the decal from any of image or texture in Unreal Engine. So I guess you understand. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye bye, and see you in the next video. See you again.